Hi guys. I was doing a little bit of a live this morning, testing some things, and towards the very end we got into a discussion, and so I'm going to do Tanya's tip of the day. My friend Mary from the Mary LTA said I had to do it right away, so I'm doing it right away. I was using one of my favorite mark making tools. It is a double circle. It's a little plastic thing, and we had a discussion, and not all tape comes with a double circle, but the Scotch tape does. And I use a lot of Scotch tape because I ship things and I have to wrap things with the Scotch tape. So, and you can refill these, but I have found that it's almost as expensive to refill them. So, instead of refilling them, let me pull this one apart. They sometimes are a little hard to pull apart. They're not bad though. You just wiggle and it'll come apart. And here is your little double tape roll. Okay? And it's really cute to make use as a mark making tool. So that is what we were talking about. But I said, well, but these things are perfectly good, and I use them to put my washi tape in to make it easier to find the end of the washi tape. So the thing of it is not all of them will fit. They don't all fit on there, but some of them, some of the little ones do, and some of the bigger ones do. And so, you know, I don't have them all in these dispensers, but it really makes it easier to use your washi tape and be able to, and you just put the washi tape in there and then put the thing back together. There we go. Just like so. And then your washi tape can be taken off just like Scotch tape or anything else. Well, Mary also asked me to check out the release tape. And this plastic release tape does not work. This red, I think they call it red line tape. You cannot tear it here. Yeah, it might be easier to find the end, but that one's not hard to find the end. This release tape, this white release tape, and I don't know what brand it is, it will fit in there. This giant one won't fit in there, of course, but it works perfectly in here if you put your tape in there, put your thingy back on, then you can tear off your double-sided tape, and then of course you have to get the release paper off of it. I always stick it on before I try to get the release paper off of it. But it tears very nicely if you have the paper one. It does not tear if you try to use this plastic one. So that is my little tip of the day, or was my little tip of the day, is to put your washi tapes in here and make it easier to tear them to the right length that you want. To find the end, washi tape is so thin, finding the end is hard. So since I was doing this really little quick video about this, I thought I would show you something else about the washi tape and maybe make it another little tip to add to our tape dispenser for our washi tape. And that is how I keep my washi tape. This is, let me make sure you can see it. Well, you can't see the whole thing, but I'm too close. This is a pants hanger. Can you see? Okay, and it has little, and I even hang the plastic things right here on the bottom one. And then it hangs over here right beside my work table. I can't show you the hanging part, but so that's my tip of the day. It's just a quick little tip of using your empty tape dispensers for not only for the innards to make mark making, but to put your washi tape in. So I hope that helps somebody out, and have fun. Oh, let's read a creativity quote, since I forgot to earlier. As music is the poetry of sound, so is painting to the poetry of sight. James McNeill Whistler. Okay, guys, have fun, have a great day, and there you go, Mary. Bye-bye.